Aligning rotated Xticklabels with their respective sticks. Check the x-axis of the figure below. How can I move the labels a bit to the left so that they align with their respective ticks? I'm rotating the labels using. But, as you can see, the rotation is centered on the middle of the text labels, which makes it look like they are shifted to the right. I've tried using this instead. But it doesn't do what I wished for. And anchor seems to be the only value allowed for the rotation _mode parameter.
You can set the horizontal alignment of Xticklabels. See the example below. If you imagine a rectangular box around the rotated label, which side of the rectangle do you want to be aligned with the tick point? Given your description, you want hot equals right.
Ha equals right is not enough to visually align labels with ticks. For rotation equals 45, use both ha equals right and rotation _mode equals anchor. For other angles, use a scale translation instead. Rotation _mode equals anchor. If the rotation angle is roughly 45 degrees, combine ha equals right with rotation _mode equals anchor. Or in matplotlib 3.5.0 plus, set ticks and labels at once. Scale translation. If the rotation angle is more extreme, for example, 70 degrees, or you just want more fine-grained control, anchoring won't work well. Instead, apply a linear transform.
Rotating the labels is certainly possible. Note though that doing so reduces the readability of the text. One alternative is to alternate label positions using a code like this. For more background and alternatives, see this post on my blog.
An easy, loop-free alternative is to use the horizontal alignment text property as a keyword argument to Xticks 1. In the below, at the commented line, I force the Xticks alignment to be right. Xticks already aligns the right edge with the tick by default, but for Xticks the default appears to be centered. 1. You find that described in the Xticks documentation if you search for the phrase text properties.
I am clearly late, but there is an official example which uses to rotate the labels while keeping them correctly aligned with the ticks, which is both clean and easy. See this URL.
Isn't it a good